Good morning dear students, welcome to the Maths online class. Students, in previous class we discussed about the what? Addition concept and the properties of the addition and terms of the addition. See, today's class we discuss and solve about the what? Addition of the two digit numbers with regrouping. First we have to solve two digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. Then we start your syllabus contents of the three digit numbers. You already know about that one. And from that three digit numbers we have to start the with regrouping and without regrouping problems. Okay. So see, you already know about addition, how to solve the addition problems with regrouping and the without regrouping. With regrouping means what? With carrying. Without regrouping means here there are the simple examples are there. We have to write without carrying and write the what? Sum of the addition. Okay. So here find the sum. 8 1 37 plus 14. Two digit numbers contains how many positions? How many placements? That very good. Two placements only. The first one is ones placement and second one is a tens placement. So here first we have to write the given addends in the form of the what? Placements. Okay, in the place value chart. See, first 37 is there. It is the column for the carrying, given to the carrying. See, 37, in 37 which number is in the ones placement? Is it 3? No, 3 is in the tens placement and 7 is in the ones placement. And plus sign, so plus sign here. In 14, 1 in the tens placement, 4 is in the ones placement. Now add these two to get the what? Sum. So the first rules is start the additions from or the add the digits in the ones placement. Okay, not in the tens placement, not in the hundred placement. First start the addition in the ones placement. The ones placement contains 7 and 4. If we add 7 and 4, 7 plus 4 is equal to, very good, that is 11. Here we got the 11 number. Okay, in 11 here don't write the don't write whole the 11 number here only. In the column of the ones only we don't write the what? The both numbers. We have to write only one number. Which number? The ones placement number we have to write here, and the tens placement number we have to go to the carry to the next placement. Okay. So in the ones placement which number is there? 1 is there. So write here. In tens placement which number is there? There is also 1. So 1 is the carry for the next placement. Okay. Then the ones placement over. Then come towards the what? Second, that is the tens placement. See, first in the tens placement 3 and 1 is there. First we have to add the 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 is the answer? No. Here one more carry is there. We have to add the solution to the one more carry and total we have to write here. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And our answer is 51. Here we have to write the 51. The next one. 53 plus 24 is there. Okay. 53. According to the placement value, we have to write that one. 53 plus 24. 58 is there. Okay. It is 58. 58 plus 24 is there. Okay. First we have to add the which placement? That is the tens place ones placement. So 8 plus 4 is equal to, very good, 12. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. In 12, we have to write here which number, which placement value? That is ones. So the 2 here, right here only. Then 1 is shifted to as a carry to the next placement. So write 2 here and 1 is the carry. Now add the numbers in or the digits in the tens placement. In tens placement 5 and 2 is there. Add these 5 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to, very good, 7. 7 plus here one more carry is there. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. The total answer is what? 82. And next one, here 3 addends are given. 23, 18, 10. So this is for the carrying. Here write 23 plus 18, addition symbol, plus 10. Don't add here two more plus signs, plus symbols. Okay, only one is okay sufficient for that. 23 plus 18 plus 10. First you have to add the ones placement digits. 3 plus 8 is equal to, very good, 11. 11 plus 0 is equal to 11 only. So L1 is our answer from the ones placement. In 11, write this one here and one is the carry. One is the carry and write with the ones placement 1. Then in the tens placement 2, 1, 1 is there. 2 plus 1 is equal to, very good, 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus one more carry is there. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we get here the solution or the sum 51. The next one, this one, the numbers are 45 plus 14 plus 35. This is the place for the carrying. So right here first one, first add in 45, second add in 14 plus symbol, and third add in 35. Add the digits in the ones placement. 5 plus 4 is equal to, very good, 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to, here 9 only, notice the answer. Okay, we have to add these 3. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Here we get the what? 40 number. In 40 number, 4 is in the ones placement. So write 4 here and 1 is in the tens placement. So give carry to the next placement. So write here 4. Then next one, in the tens placement, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 is the answer? No, one more carry is there. Add that also. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And our answer, total answer or total sum is equal to, very good, 94. Then like that also, like that only we have to solve this one. First adding this 55. Second adding plus sign, second adding 22. Third adding 11. Okay. So right here 5 plus 2 is equal to, very good, 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So here we get the 8 only. 8, it is a 2-digit number? No, it is not a 2-digit number. So we put that whole number 8 here only. It does not contains any carrying because it does not having the tens value. If it is the tens, if it contains the 10 value, then only we have to give to the carry to the next placement. If it contains only one digit of the ones placement, so write as it is here only. Then 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to, here also 8. So answer is 88. The next one, 57 plus 18 plus 10 is there. So write here 57 plus 18 plus 10. So here add the digits in the ones placement first. 7 plus 8 is equal to, very good, 15. 15 plus 0 is equal to 15 only. Which property it is? Very good. In previous class we discussed the properties of the addition. So any number is added to 0, we get the what? Sum, as that its number only. Itself is the sum. So it is the 0 property. In 15, write 5 here and 1 is the what? Very good, carrying. The next one, in tens placement, 5 plus 1 plus 5, 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 7 plus 1 more carry is there, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So here answer is 85. This is about the what? The addition of the 3-digit numbers with regrouping. With regrouping means what? It contains the carrying. In next class we discuss some solve some problems about the what? 3-digit numbers. Thank you.